One of the best plugins you can use for WordPress is Advanced Ads, and let me show you real quickly how this actually works. I've got a recipe website, and my interest is showing a cookbook on every page. Well, I can do that very easily with Advanced Ads, but let me just show you real quickly. If I look up Google bestseller Amazon cookbooks, I'm very concerned about if I want it on every page, what are the best sellers? So this is right at the top here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up grabbing a link that's going to be the custom link there. Now you notice that the custom link isn't available here, but let's see. Let's grab one of these top ones here. Let's go for the air fryer cookbook here. This could be a good one. Let's click on that. Okay, now the custom thing is available there, and that's what I'm going to want to use. So we're going to go to the dashboard of my actual WordPress site, and we're going to head to Advanced Ads. We'll click on Ads. Let's give it a name. We'll put new ad, and we'll just call it cookbook. I'm going to keep it real simple, cookbook. We'll click next. We'll grab our custom code. I'll copy that, go back to the ad, or go back to this parameter here, paste it, click next, click save. Now there are conditions that you can add here if you want, and in this case here we're not really going to add anything because I want it on every page. Otherwise, you could add the visitor conditions here, okay? Because it says visitor conditions, limit number of users. You can see your ad. No, not right there, sorry. Right here. A page with this ad on it must match all the following conditions. If you want to display the ad everywhere, don't do anything here. So we want it to display everywhere. Let's go ahead and click Update. Let's check the site. Let's go to one of these here. Let's go to Seafood Recipes. We don't see it here, right? But let's click on the next post here. Now we still don't see anything. Now why is that? Well, we're going to go to the widgets, and in widgets we're going to go to the Advanced Ads widgets. So right here, and then we got to say, well, where do we want it to be? We are going to go ahead and put it at the post advertisement, the first one, add widget. So that's going to be right before the actual whatever the video is that we're going to show you. There it is there, cookbook. Click that. Let's click save. Click done. Now let's go back. Let's go back to the crab dishes here. Again, we don't see anything here, but once clicked on, there it is right there, the air fryer cookbook. So now you should be able to see that on every single page. It doesn't matter. Let's go to high protein breakfast weight loss. You should be able to see that every time that we click on here. You can see it right there before the actual video. Okay, so that's how you go ahead and use Advanced Ads to your advantage. So hopefully that was helpful. I'll have more videos just like this, so be sure to subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.